All right. Go ahead. Get it out. Get the jokes out. Good morning. Happy New Year. Been a little bit since Christmas. The things you do for the arts. Listen. See this? Present from Aunt Edna. I know. I look like a pink nightmare. That's a clue, by the way. You gotta win. So, go ahead. Leave it in the comments. Go ahead. Hey everybody, welcome back to Sneaks and Geeks USA. I'm going to pretend like I'm not wearing a pink Snuggie. Yes, pink nightmare. Remember that term. Valentine's Day is coming, and we have something planned. We are putting together a very special PC sneaker combo. NJ Sneaker King comes through again. I didn't know these existed either. It's crazy. Every holiday, it's like, oh yeah, I got these. Yeah. So, remember I told you last time when I did the unboxing that and then Christmas, which means we have left. That's the one. It's coming. It's Valentine's Day. I don't know what else to say. I'm in a pink Snuggie. Aunt Edna is a saint on earth. Don't you dare make fun of her. Me? Have at it. If this is your first time here, you're probably going, what? Yeah, I know. I know. Sneaks and Geeks USA. We have some new sponsors coming, and we're going to show some of their products. One I already use. The other one I'm definitely going to use because I saw it, and we'll go over that stuff in time. Anyway, on to other news. $5,000. Wow. Quick. Thank you. 5,000 subscribers. Pretty fast. We're growing. I don't have a lot of words for this. I'm very grateful. I'm grateful to the sponsors. I'm grateful for our upcoming sponsors. We're going to keep going. I have a lot of good ideas. We have a lot of cool builds coming up. We have a few already lined up. Some people will be making a reappearance because, well, same and different concept of something. Little teaser. We also have something big coming. Not ready for that yet. Anyway, at 5,000, I said we're going to do it again. There's going to be, this video will have a clue. It was already here in it. So when it's time, you know what? It's time. I referenced a relative and a line from a movie. You know the deal. Movie. Who said it? Size. Sneakers. You might have to watch it again. I don't think so, though. This one's pretty easy. I can't believe I'm still wearing this. 5,000. Thank you. Sponsors. Oh, monitor. We can put some cool stuff up there. If you have any ideas, let me know. we'll play some video of our videos and sponsor videos. We'll reframe this a little bit, and I just wanted to do this quick little thing because I saw the subs went up, and I wanted to give you a little preview and a clue for our little, you know, subscriber goal, you know, thing we do here. Valentine's Day. Someone special popping in. Whispers of that, but we'll see. We'll see what happens. But the computer, kind of know what I'm doing. All right? So thank you again. And thank you again. 5,000 times. All of you, thank you. Sneaks and Geeks USA. We're going to keep going. FYI, freezing outside. This thing's great. If you don't have one, get one. And for all you goons like me out there, I know you got one somewhere. It might not be pink. Real men wear pink sometimes. Got it? Get it? Got it? Good.